This song right here goes out to my friend, my brother Marvin Brown, and Gregory Harris. We love y'all. We miss y'all. And to your family, I'ma always keep you in my heart. I'm sorry for your loss. I love you. Now I know it's hard to say goodbye with tears streaming from your eyes, and your heart is hurting now, and you feel like you're lonely now, struggling, stumbling, trying to stand up now. Just like my brother, that's what you meant to me. And yet it still gets hard, and I can't believe that you're gone away. Lord help me. Then you heard the voice of God call your name. Then you flew away to a God of me. I'm gonna remember you. Oh yes I will. Oh yes I will. I remember you. Alright. Now I'm gonna remember you. Keep your memory alive. Alright. Oh yes I will. Now sometimes we all say goodbye. I'm not gonna say goodbye. It's see you later. I'll see you later. Someday, over there, on the other side, I see the light. Now I'm gonna remember. I'm gonna remember you. Oh yes I will. I remember you. I'll keep your memories alive. Every single time I smile, I'm gonna remember you. Oh yes I will. I remember. You. Oh yes I will. Father, thank you for